Right there is the remote, and in order to replace the battery for it, notice on the left side of the remote there is that spot right there. We will use a screwdriver just like that, and while keeping the button portion at the bottom, we will go ahead and punch in the screwdriver in that spot. Make sure to position the screwdriver a little upside because here we are taking out the top cover only. There it is. We were able to pull out the top cover and right there is the battery. Now you can just use your thumb to slide out the battery like that. Once it reaches to the edge, we will just pull it out. And that is how you take out the battery for this remote. Now this is the kind of battery needed for this remote. It is a CR2450 type battery. In my case, the battery is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new battery and you want to install it back, just make sure that the plus sign on the battery stays at the top, and then we slide in the battery in the remote. Make sure the battery is completely in, and once the battery is completely in, only then we will punch in the other side on the top. Again, we make sure to keep the button portion at the bottom, and then we go ahead to punch in the top cover. We make sure both the covers are leveled properly, and then we will press the top cover to install it firm and strong. We make sure all the sides are completely in, and it seems like all the angles are completely in. With that, we are done with the replacement of battery for this remote. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.